How to log into Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're going to find the search box. Type in Claude AI and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, Claude.ai. You'll be directed to the login page. Now you have to log into your Claude account in order to get access to Claude 3.5 Sonnet. So you can use your email address to log in. Or in the case you haven't created your account yet, you can just type in your email address and then continue with it. Now you'll be receiving verification code in your email address. You have to type in that code over here. Just check out your mail and then type in the code. So here's the code. You can copy it, then you can type in that code over here. Then click on verify email address. And just with that, you will be logged into your Claude account. Now how to get access to Claude 3.5 Sonnet. For that, what you have to do is click on the option of upgrade given at the top right corner. Now in this page, you're going to get two subscriptions for the Pro and the Team. You can choose any of the subscription that best suits you. I'm going to select Pro. Just click on it. So here are the features of the Pro plan. You can just go through this. Then you have to fill this. Provide your full name. Click on this drop down and select your country or region. Then type in your address. Then provide your payment details, card number, expiration date, CVC. After you type in all this, you can click on the option of subscribe and go through the process. Your Claude will be upgraded to the Claude 3.50. Likewise, if you choose Team, you just have to click on the option of create team account, provide your personal details, likewise payment details, and go through the process. With that, your Claude will be updated to the 3.5. So this way you can easily log into Claude 3.5 Sonnet. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.